Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add captions in TikTok videos. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are in, tap on the plus icon at the bottom to start recording a new video. Select the time duration of your video and start recording. There is no built-in feature on TikTok that allows you to auto-generate captions. Now go back and open your web browser. Search for app submagic.co. Once you are here, tap on Let's Get Started. Here, tap and drag and drop the video that you want to upload. Select the video from your gallery that you want to upload. Just select a new video and tap to add it. From the top, select the language for the captions. Once you're done, tap on Upload. This app will automatically generate captions for your TikTok videos. You just need to wait for a few minutes. Once it's done, you can select a font style for the captions and also edit the description. Once you're done editing, tap on Export option at the top. Here are the plans that you can buy a yearly and monthly basis. Just select the one that best matches you. Once your video is ready, open the TikTok app and you can post your video there. Select your video from the gallery and post it. And that is how you can add captions to your TikTok videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.